Charlie Roberts, who tragically died after suffering 7 months of abuse by his mum and stepdad, was shaken to death with devastating force, a court heard. The 1-year-old was attacked so violently his brain moved in his skull, causing irreparable damage. In the 7 months leading to his death, little Charlie allegedly was subjected to a campaign of abuse at the hands of Stockton and his mum, Paula Roberts. Teesside Crown Court heard staff at his nursery had raised concerns when they noticed bruising on the baby. Social services were called after Charlie was rushed to hospital with injuries to his ear, eye and head, but no action was taken, it was said. Jurors heard how the baby had suffered injuries to his genitals, likely to have been caused by a violent pulling force. Robert's brother also noticed marks on both of his ears, but his mum, Paula, claimed he had been sleepwalking. The court also heard that mum was concerned about her baby and partner, which prompted her to install a spy camera hidden in a plant pot above his cot. On January 12th, Stockton was left to look after Charlie by Paula at their home in Darlington. The night before, he had been playing on his Xbox and placed an online order with Iceland. Stockton allegedly only got 3 hours of sleep, which is significant in terms of fatigue and patience and ability to control one's temper and emotions, the jury heard. Not long after Paula left her 1-year-old baby with Stockton, he called 999 and reported Charlie had become lifeless and floppy. He claimed Charlie had choked on a biscuit, but medics couldn't find anything when they checked his airways. The prosecutor said Christopher Stockton was alone in the house with Charlie in a very short time. If that is all it takes to lose one's temper, he must have assaulted Charlie by shaking or throwing him with considerable force. What happened to Charlie once his mother had closed the door on him was no accident. The court was told that Charlie's horrific injuries were so devastating that he likely would have collapsed almost immediately. He tragically couldn't be saved and died in hospital the following day. Medics could find no underlying health conditions, which led them to believe his cause of death was the application of severe force that caused his head to rotate or be thrown about. Stockton denies murder and child neglect, while Roberts has pleaded not guilty to a charge of neglect. The trial is still underway.